Hi, so hello everyone. So today we talk about one very important aspects that what is bibliographic coupling. So this is another way to do thematic analysis. So if we are having a Scopus database and we want to perform thematic analysis related to any specific topic, it may be green human resource management, or it may be some other topic. So before I will teach or I will discuss how to perform bibliographic coupling using VOSviewer, let's little bit know what do you mean by coupling or what do you mean by bibliographic coupling. So firstly we will try to understand the theoretical concept, and then we will move to the practical part. So first important thing is what is coupling. So coupling is basically link between two items. That item may be publication, or that item may be a document or article. So if we want to understand uh, the relationship between the two documents, then we can say it as a coupling. Now if you talk about bibliographic coupling, so bibliographic coupling will talk about the number of documents where some citations are common. So if you will see, the definition is a bibliographic coupling link is a link between two items, or you can say the two articles that both cite the same documents. So that is the basic definition of bibliographic coupling. So by using the bibliographic coupling, we can understand the deeper relationship, or we can identify the basic themes related to that particular documents or that particular articles. So in bibliographic coupling, there are various units are there. So today we will talk about the unit whose name is document. So these are the different type of units on which we can perform bibliographic coupling. Like documents, we can perform on sources, authors, organizations, and countries. So in today's lecture, I will talk about how to perform bibliographic coupling using document, because this is the one of the most popular way to identify themes. So by by after performing the bibliographic coupling, we will get such type of a diagram. You can say such type of a wonderful diagram we can see. And here you will see that different colors are visible. So each color uh, is talking about different themes. So such type of diagrams we will try to draw. Second important thing is, after drawing that particular diagram, so we can identify themes. So for example, if you will see here, I have identified six themes of OTT platform that I've taken from one of the research paper that I have published, which is A category. So you can see contributed articles of each themes. So in bibliographic coupling of documents, so we will identify the authors which have published their articles related to some specific field or to some specific themes. So bibliographic coupling will partition the different documents based on identical topics, and these identical topics will make a theme. So in this way, we can easily perform the themes. Let's quickly see how to perform that bibliographic coupling using VOSviewer. So as usual, we will go to VOSviewer software. We will open that particular. Those who have not seen my previous lecture, in which I have talked about how to perform thematic analysis using keywords, that is my uh, seventh lecture. So please go through that for better understanding. So as usual, we will go to create option. Then we need to select the bibliographic data option. Click on next. Again, we will, since we have extracted our database from Scopus, so that's why we will select again the middle option. Again, we will go to next option. Now it will ask about whether the data you extracted from Web of Science or Scopus. So since I have extracted from Scopus, select Scopus. Then we need to browse the place where my data set is available. So my data set is available in desktop. In desktop, there is a folder by name thematic analysis. I will go to that particular folder. Here you will find this is the Scopus database which I have extracted, that is related to green human resource management. Click on OK. Again, click on next option. Now it will give the various option, and we will also get an option that will talk about bibliographic coupling. So here, if you will see that side, so you will see there is a bibliographic coupling. One more thing, you will see there is a question mark. If you will place your mouse pointer on that question mark, so it will give us the idea that what is the meaning of each and every different type of analysis. So if you will see on the fourth section, So you can see that bibliographic coupling. It's saying bibliographic coupling, the relatedness of items is determined based on the number of references they share. So the documents where the number of references are common, so that is the logic on which the bibliographic coupling will talk about. So simply select the bibliographic coupling option. Then it will ask that bibliographic coupling you want to perform which, what is the unit. So as I have told that I will perform um, our analysis on documents, so that's why I have selected documents. Now go to next option. Now here it will ask the minimum number of citations of a documents. So by default, if I will consider the number of citations 0, so 100 out of 108 documents, everybody all the meets the threshold. But let's try to increase. So I am considering approximately 10. So depending upon the number of documents, you can increase or decrease the number of citations. So I am considering in my analysis only those documents which have 10 or more number of citations. So these are the more relevant documents of that particular field. So now out of 108, 57 meets the threshold. Again, go to the next option. Again, go to the next option. Now you will see it will talk about these are the authors name of these particular documents. These are the number of citations. So as I have selected all the documents having 10 or more citations, so you will see all the documents have a number of citations are either 10 or more. Again, now click on finish option, and you will see such a wonderful diagram has been placed in front of us. So if you will see that in this particular diagram, three colors are visible. So it means it's talking about three different themes. The first theme identified by green color, second by red color, and third will be by blue color. So if you want to see that particular themes, again as usual, go to items option. So you will see three clusters are there. In cluster 1, 24 documents. Drag little bit. In cluster 2, you will see 21 items, and in cluster 3, you will see there are 12 items. So three themes have been identified. So if you want to copy and paste that particular figure, so process is very simple. Again, select the file option, go to screenshot, select copy to clipboard, then open the MS Word file, and simply you can control V, and you will see the same diagram will be pasted on your word. And now you can write anything related to research paper. Again, go back to the VOSviewer screen. So here you will see one more important thing is, if you will see that Sing 2020 font size is maximum. Okay, if you want to, if you will place your mouse pointer on Sing 2020, so if you will see the later side, sorry, lower side, you will see the author name. Please everybody look to the downside. Author, title of that particular paper is also given. Source means the journal name given, and in which year that particular title has been published. So you can easily get such type of information also in VOSphere. One more thing, if you want to get the basic idea of that particular title, so again you will go to sync and just click. Once you will click, and if the internet is on, so you will see it will automatically open that particular research paper. So here you can see, so you will directly go to the link of that particular paper. You can read the abstract or whatever information is available free of cost, that also you can get. So you need not to go here and there. All such type of information you can get from the same place. So similarly in the second, again, so whatever paper you want to go, just select it, click on that particular option, and it will automatically open that particular paper. So that's a wonderful information, wonderful facilities available in VOSviewer software. Then there is a overlay visualization. So if you want to see that which are the articles or which are the documents published more in 2023, these all articles are displayed by green color. So here if you see that one of the article, Musia 2022A, published in is shown by yellow color. So if you will click, such type of question, sorry, research paper will be open. Density visualization, if you will see, so as I've already explained that more the size of the font, more will be the number of citations. So we can get such type of information easily. So here again, if you will click on any particular, like if you will see, if I will place my mouse pointer on a Roscoe 2019, again, if you will see the lower side, you will get all the information. Who are the authors? What is the title of that particular research paper? source and what is the here. Now the last part is how to identify themes from these clusters. So as I have already told, uh, so again I am going to that to part. So see, these are the papers which are shown in cluster 1. Okay, so it means all these papers are talking in some specific directions. So the best way is go through the title, or you can say the abstract of all these papers, and in whatever area or in whatever theme they are talking about, so combine all the titles, combine all the abstract, and while combining all these titles and abstract, we people need to identify a specific themes. For example, if you will see here, all these articles, if you will combine, all these articles are broadly talking about OTT infrastructure and technology development. Similarly, if you will see in the second part, all these topics are talking about OTT consumer consumption behavior. So that's the major contribution of the research scholar. Let's go through the title of all these research papers, uh, and just to combine all the titles, better to write all the titles and abstract at one place. Give little bit, do little bit deliberation, and try to identify the themes. So this is the very simple way and very good way to perform the thematic analysis, or you can say the bibliographic coupling. So I hope that part is clear to all of you. So kindly do practice. More you practice, more you get result. Try to write some quality research paper. Thank you so much. So I hope that part is clear to all of you. Thank you.